Well, yeah, you could do that multiplication on the calculator. I could come back here and say, hey, I think I want to actually do 3 times that quantity of 38 divided by 11. Well, that's not a nice looking decimal. And it's a pretty butt ugly looking decimal or fraction as well. So if we don't have to actually write that fraction down, then why would we do that? Why not just go to 10 minus 3 times that quantity and let the calculator take care of the operation for us? So we're still going to come up with the same value that we had in the previous problem. It's not like it's a different value. The point is that the calculator does this better. Use the calculator for what its strengths are. Do what you have to do by hand. Only what you have to do by hand. Only the minimum of what you have to do by hand. In other words, I'm encouraging you to be lazy, but to be smart in being lazy. Because being lazy and not being smart are not going to get you where you need to go. Now, checking, we know it checks. We know it's going to work in the bottom equation because we've already done that. So, still need to check this problem. And in fact, you should always check a solution to a system in the problem, especially if you're doing it by hand, because there's lots of little arithmetic mistakes you can make. But the check is not bad because we know it works in the bottom equation, the top equation. So if we came back and we checked in the other equation where we were using that 2 times the value of x minus 3 times the value of y, we know that gives us the value of 8 that we were looking for in the problem. So again, checking doesn't have to be done by hand, it can be done with the calculator in the problem as well. Now that's a lot of work, so are you open to a quicker, more efficient way of doing it so that you don't have to do it by hand? Okay, so that requires we're going to have to go to a different place in the calculator and cover a little bit of vocabulary. We have to